How to enable Binance Authenticator via Binance app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be learning about how we can enable the Binance Authenticator via the Binance application. So let's just start with the process, but before that don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So first of all, if you don't have the app, you may just go ahead and install it from any of the app store available on your device. And then after that is done, you're going to go ahead and open it up and log in into your account. After you're successfully logged into your account, in order to enable the authenticator, you can tap on the yellow icon, the Binance logo at the top left corner, and tap on it. And then you can go ahead and tap on your user ID right here. So when you tap on it, you can find different options available under Account Center. You're going to click on this option called Security. Just go ahead and tap on it. And after going on that, you can find different options of security or two-factor authentication. So you're gonna go look out for the options. Like if you want biometric as your authenticator, you can use that options. Otherwise, we have Authenticator app, which is one of the easiest way. So you're gonna go ahead and tap on this Authenticator app, and you need to have an Authenticator app installed on your device, such as Microsoft Authenticator or Google Authenticator. After that, you're gonna go ahead and enable this option on your screen, and then you're gonna wait for the screen to be loaded up. So here you just need to enter a 6-digit verification sent to your email first of all, and go ahead with the further process. And then just follow up the on-screen prompts like entering the code provided by the Authenticator app within the Binance in the application, the Authenticator app, and just go on with the process and create your own authentication code. After that, we have this email option. So if you have this option on, you need to enter your 6-digit code that you will be receiving on your email each time you're trying to access everything through the Binance application. And that is it. These are the process you may follow up in order to have your own authenticator from the Binance application. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.